Hi everyone, it's Bradley Botkin here again for another cadet tutorial. So today we're going to talk about offsetting timecodes. So why would you want to offset timecodes? Here's an example. I have a clip here called Sintel. If you've watched any of the other tutorials, we've worked on the Sintel animation clip. We created descriptions. We also created captions. And someone asked me if I could supply them a caption file for this version of Sintel. So this version happens to have the entire Sintel clip on it, but there's a bumper up on the front. There's a trailer for a different animated clip. It's called Big Buck Bunny. And here, I'll just play a moment of it. So this is Big Buck Bunny, and it goes on for about a minute. Yeah, so there's the beginning of Sintel. So what's going to happen? We've already got Sintel captions. I've got them in several forms. I have an Srt file that I exported. I have the project for it. But it's for the Sintel clip alone. So what do I do about that? Well, I don't want to have to re-caption it. I'd like to be able to use the old captions. I don't want to have to retime it even. So I'm going to go ahead and create a project. Let's start Cadet. Here we go. So let me open up the clip. File, open media. It's here. It's the Big Buck Bunny trailer on top of Sintel. And let me just play it, make sure I've got the right one. Yep, and I'm going to go out here to a minute. Yeah, there's Sintel. Okay, so let me go ahead and import captions from an Srt file. Import Srt, and there it is. So here's my old friend, captions from Sintel. They start at about 1 second on the original clip, but on this clip it's going to be, roughly a minute in. So I'd like to reuse all these captions. I want to change all these timecodes. I want to shift them forward. In other words, I want to offset the timecodes. So it just so happens that under Tools, there's an menu called Offset Timecodes. So let's just go look at it. So in offset timecodes, I got a lot of choices here. I can offset all the events, that is all the rows. I could go from the current event to the bottom, or I could use a marked selection. And I can specify the old timecode, some old timecode, and some corresponding new timecode. And so let me just cancel here for a moment. I'm going to go find the end of this trailer. So let's go, it's roughly over here. It's roughly a minute. Let's play it. It's roughly there. Okay. The black is the beginning of Sintel. And I'm going to go ahead and select offset timecodes. So I'm just going to say that an old timecode of 0 should be offset to be a new timecode of, let me put in the current playhead position. So the current playhead position is 1 minute, 4 seconds, and 9 frames. You can see that corresponds to the media time. So it says that offset timecode is going to calculate this difference, going to say, 1 minute, 4 seconds, and 0.9. It's gonna add that to every time code in here, all the start times, all the end times. So I'm going to say go ahead, offset, and look, all these time codes changed. Now the first caption is supposed to come in at 1:05.9. Let's back up here, and I'm going to play, and we'll see what that looks like. that's pretty good. We got the drum beat. In fact, we hit it just about right on. Plaintive violin solo playing. Let me slide on forward to the conversation that happens with Sintel and the old man in the yurt. Here it is.
This blade has a dark past. It has shed much innocent blood.
It's perfect. So look at that. We've taken old data that we had from Sintel, the captions, that were timed to some other clip. That's the clip that with Sintel alone. We've repurposed them, and we were able to use them in this new clip that has a trailer on the front end. So we offset all the time codes forward by just the right amount. And now I could export this. Let's go ahead and export it. I'm going to export. I'm going to select an export type of SRT again, and it's going to be Sintel with Big Buck Bunny Trailer.srt. Sure, why not? And OK, and we're done. So now I have a new SRT file, which I could, let's say, upload to YouTube. If this thing is going to be uploaded to YouTube, we can combine the SRT file with this clip up on YouTube to provide accurate captions. That's it. Hope that helps. Remember, tools, offset time codes, it's your friend. Play with it. Bye-bye. See you next time.